The hook. Are you ready for the revolution? Think you've seen everything the Indian Street Fighter segment has to offer? Think again. The 2026 TVS Apache lineup isn't just an update, it's a total takeover. For years, the Apache has been the king of the track-to-road transition, but this year, TVS has done something so radical it might actually make its competitors go back to the drawing board. Whether you're a city zigzagger or a highway cruiser, the 2026 models are hiding a secret that changes the game entirely. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll see why your current bike might suddenly feel like a relic. Design and aesthetics: sharper, meaner, faster. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Apache RTR 164V and 204V is the face. TVS has moved away from the traditional setup to a Class D projector LED headlamp with aggressive, signature DRLs that look like they were ripped straight off the RR310. The fuel tank is more muscular, with aerodynamic cowls designed not just for looks, but for better heat dissipation. The colors for 2026, especially the new marine blue and granite gray, feature a premium matte finish that makes these bikes look twice their price tag. It's lean, it's mean, and it looks like it's moving even when it's standing still. Tech overload, a cockpit from the future. Step into the rider's seat and you aren't looking at a simple speedometer anymore. The 2026 series introduces a 5-inch TFT digital cluster across the premium variants. This isn't just a screen, it's a command center. We're talking about voice assist, turn-by-turn navigation, and specialized race telemetry to track your lean angles and lap times. But here is the real kicker. TVS has brought traction control and multiple ride modes: sport, urban, rain, down to the 160 cubic centimeters and 200 cubic centimeters segments. Having traction control on a 160 cubic centimeters bike might sound like overkill until you hit a patch of gravel in the rain, then, it's a lifesaver. Engine and performance, the heart of a racer. Under the hood, or rather, the frame, the 2026 Apache continues to refine the RTFI, race-tuned fuel injection, technology. The RTR 164V pumps out a segment-leading 17.55 horsepower, while the 204V stays dominant with its oil-cooled, high-revving character. The biggest mechanical surprise for 2026? The bidirectional quickshifter and assist and slipper clutch are now smoother than ever, allowing for clutchless upshifts that keep the power delivery seamless. The GTT, glide-through technology, is still there, making heavy traffic feel like a breeze by letting the bike crawl without throttle input. The big surprise, the RTX Adventure Legend. Now, for the surprise we promised. For 2026, TVS hasn't just updated the RTRs, they have officially unleashed the TVS Apache RTX 300. This is a brand new adventure tourer built on a trellis frame with a 299 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine producing 36 HP. It features 180 millimeters of suspension travel, a 19-inch front wheel, and a dedicated rally mode. For the first time ever, the Apache nameplate is leaving the asphalt and heading into the dirt. This turns the Apache brand from a street-only series into a full-blown lifestyle lineup. Verdict: is it worth your money? The 2026 TVS Apache series is a masterclass in giving the people what they didn't know they needed. By bringing high-end features like TFT displays, traction control, and a whole new adventure category to the masses, TVS is making a loud statement. If you want a bike that handles like a dream, looks like a predator, and packs more tech than some entry-level cars, the 2026 Apache is the undisputed choice. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the future of racing. For more exclusive updates, specs, and raw reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.